Hey you guys, today we are doing a mystery picture with order of operations. Super excited. Not only is this a fun activity, but it was created by a sixth grader at Sierra Bonita, which I think is way stinking cool. So you will open a page that looks like this. So this box over here is where your picture is going to appear. You have to do nothing on this side, okay? You don't touch that side. The side that you touch is your questions are right here on the questions column. And then your answers in this red section is where you're going to type your answer. And when you do, cool things happen in the big box. So I want to go talk about a few things with you. When you are using a computer program, this little asterisk right here, see if I can highlight it. It might not let me. But this little asterisk that you see right there, that little star, that in the computer world means multiply. So if you need to write that on a piece of paper and say like star equals multiply to help you remember, that would be great. So let's look at the first one. Parentheses 8 plus 3 times 4 parentheses times 2. All right, so I am thinking in my head, okay, I have to do parentheses, multiply, divide from left to right, and then add, subtract from left to right. So I know I have to do what's in the parentheses first. So now I have 8 plus 3, or 3 times 4. And because of the order of operations, I know that I have to do 3 times 4 first. So I'm going to I'm going to do this and write this on my card. So I have 8 plus 3 times 4 times 2. So here you go. That is, there you go, there's the problem. So I'm looking in the parentheses and I know I have to do the multiply portion first. So I'm going to draw my little caret. I'm going to do that. So 3 times 4 is 12. Now I'm going to bring down everything I haven't used. So I'm going to bring down the parenthesis and 8 plus, bring down another parenthesis, times 2. Mama. So now my problem should look like this. Now I still have parentheses. I start over on that order of operations. So I still have parentheses, so I know I have to do that first. 8 plus 12 is 20. So I put down my caret. There's 20. I have to bring down what I haven't used. So 20 times 2, we all know is 2 times 2 is 4. Bring over the 0, 40. So I'm going to come over here to the answers, and I'm going to type in 40. Now when I click outside the box, isn't that amazing? It takes a minute. But okay, so there's part of a picture. Super excited. So let's look at the next problem. All right, so the next problem on B, I see parentheses, 14 divided by, remember, because our fraction line is also means divide, 14 divided by 2, parentheses, times, parenthesis, 4 plus 9. Okay, so your problem should look like this. I hope you remember that divide, that line, that fraction line means divide as well when you're dealing with computers. So I have this. So I'm looking at these. I know because of order of operations, I have to start at the top and it's parentheses. Now there are 2. So I'm going to start on the left one, which is 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And I'm going to bring down everything else that I haven't used. So now my problem looks like this. I brought down the 7 and then I have 4 times 9. 4 plus 9, excuse me. So I go back to the top of my order of operations. Order of operations tells me that I must do parentheses first. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Bring down everything else. Now 7 times 13. So I'm going to really quickly multiply that. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2, put down the 1. 7, 8, 9. So 91. So I'm going to go over to B. Oh, look, and it even is green. I never noticed that the last time. I'm gonna write 91. Fingers crossed I did my math correctly. Oh, this is so cool. All right, that's all I'm going to help you with. Let me know if you need help. Remember, the star means multiply. The line means divide. Good luck. Have so much fun. I can't wait to see what the final picture is.